Welcome viewers. Let's start with our biggest story this hour. A mega political war is broken out over Prime Minister Modi's fierce attack on the Congress party in Rajasthan yesterday. Addressing a rally, the Prime Minister said that if Congress is voted to power, they will give away the wealth to infiltrators and also to those with more children. This is, of course, in reference to a particular community. Now, Modi cited former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's 2006 remark, wherein he said that Muslims have the first claim on resources. Now, the Congress party will be approaching the Election Commission as well and seeking an action against Prime Minister over his comments. In the past as well, we've seen multiple organizations such as the Law and Policy Research Institute, which have already approached the Election Commission against the Prime Minister. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge has also sought a time to meet the Prime Minister and hand him over his party's manifesto, urging him to not mislead the voters. Not just that, state units of Congress will also be sending a copy of the manifesto to the Prime Minister's office as part of a campaign to stop Prime Minister Modi from spreading lies. In fact, my colleague Mohit joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Mohit, an absolute shocker there as far as the Prime Minister is concerned. The comment he made yesterday during a rally has stoked a massive row across the nation. The Congress, of course, has been very critical of the Prime Minister and his speeches. Give us a sense of what exactly was the context of what the Prime Minister said, and also what's the Congress's next action and the campaign going to be like?
Well, you see, it is a massive political fight, as you rightly said, over the statement that has come in from the Prime Minister. While addressing a rally yesterday, Prime Minister, while referring to the Congress's manifesto, stated that if Congress is voted to power, they will give away wealth to the infiltrators and those with more children. So clearly, it's seen by the Congress party and the other opposition parties as a target towards the Muslim community, and they have hit out at the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, Prime Minister also gave a reference to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's 2006 remark, wherein he said that Muslims have first claim on the resources, to which the Congress and the opposition party say that the proper statement of Manmohan Singh has not been quoted by the Prime Minister. He did not say that. He basically stated about all the communities, all the backward communities, including Muslims. So clearly we see that how a whole lot of politics is being played on this particular issue, while we see that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vajpayee and other senior leaders of the Congress party have hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that BJP senses that they are not getting seats in the first phase of the elections. They are sensing defeat, and hence Prime Minister is trying to create a communal atmosphere in the country, and that is why he's making such statements, to which the BJP and the Prime Minister himself has stated that the Congress party has always been into appeasement politics, and he Prime Minister has quoted what then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said in 2006. So clearly a massive war of words. We know that how the Congress party has now decided that they will be sending a copy of manifesto to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office as a part of campaign to stop PM Modi from spreading lies. As for the Congress party, we also know that our Mallikarjun Kharge has also got time to meet Prime Minister and handing over the party manifesto and urging him not to mislead the voters. And we know for a fact that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi again and again, and JP Nadda, BJP President, and various other BJP leaders have come out and called the manifesto of the Congress party as the manifesto of Jinnah's Muslim League, saying that whatever was part of Jinnah's Muslim League agenda is part of the Congress manifesto. Earlier also we have seen that our Congress has approached the Election Commission in this particular regard. Now we have...
Right, Mohit. In fact, we are of course tracking all the developments that come in as well, and of course a massive political row that has erupted over this particular comment by the Prime Minister. In fact, let's first listen into what the Prime Minister had to say, the entire statement that actually triggered the massive row, also the political reactions that are coming in.
कांग्रेस ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में जो कहा है वो चिंताजनक है, गंभीर है। उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी तो हर एक की प्रॉपर्टी सर्वे किया जाएगा। हमारी बहनों के पास सोना कितना है उसकी जांच की जाएगी, उसका हिसाब लगाया जाएगा। हमारे आदिवासी परिवारों में चांदी होती है, सिल्वर कितना है उसका हिसाब लगाया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, आगे क्या कहा है, ये जो गोल्ड है बहनों का और जो संपत्ति है ये सबको समान रूप से वितरित कर दी जाएगी। क्या ये आपको मंजूर है क्या? मेरी माताओं बहनों की जिंदगी में सोना वो सिर्फ शो करने के लिए नहीं होता है, उसके स्वाभिमान से जुड़ा हुआ है। उसका मंगलसूत्र वो एक सोने का कीमत का मुद्दा नहीं है, उसके जीवन के सपनों से जुड़ा हुआ है। तुम उसे छीनने की बात कर रहे हो अपने मैनिफेस्टो में। गोल्ड ले लेंगे, सबको वितरित कर देंगे। और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे।
Election should fight with harmonious mindset. That should begin from the Prime Minister itself, because Prime Ministership is the big position in this country, constitutional position. But this is quite unfortunate. He is lying everything. He is entirely misquoting the Congress manifesto. That is why we decided to send the manifesto from all over India to PMO. That's all. He is panicking. He is now realizing India's mood is changing. That is why he is doing all of these things.
I'm sorry, this is a very disgraceful speech made by the Prime Minister. But you know, the fact is the people realize that when he says the Congress party is going to take all your wealth and give it to the Muslims, that this is just a nakedly communal appeal which normally any civilized election commission would disallow and warn the candidate for speaking like this. It's simply not decent, number one. Number two, it has never happened. The Congress party is constantly accused by Mr. Modi of having ruled the country for 65 years, having taken away people's wealth and given it to the Muslim community. What nonsense is this talk?
अभी कांग्रेस पार्टी को मिर्ची लगी है। मोदी जी ने उनके घोषणा पत्र में से सब संपत्ति का सर्वे करने का कहा है। मोदी जी ने कल कहा क्यों करना है सर्वे को? कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी नरेंद्र मोदी पर सवाल उठा रही है। मैं आज कांग्रेस पार्टी को पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे की बात है या नहीं है? राहुल बाबा देश के नाम में स्पष्ट करे। और मनमोहन सिंह, आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा था संसाधन पर पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटी का है, आदिवासी दलित का नहीं है, आदिवासी दलित का नहीं है। भाई और बहनों, देश भर के मठ मंदिर और सबकी संपत्ति पर जो नजर है, वो पैसा कहां जाना वाला है? मनमोहन सिंह को याद करो, उन्होंने कहा कि पैसा पर, रेवेन्यू पर, संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटी का है। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है और हम कहते हैं संसाधन पर पहला अधिकार देश के गरीब का है, आदिवासी का है, दलित का है, पिछड़ा समाज का है।
और ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है और एनडीए भाजपा की बौखलाहट दिखाती है कि जिस तरह के अनर्गल बयान प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से आ रहे हैं। पहले चरण के मतदान के बाद एक चीज बहुत साफ हो गई है कि भाजपा दक्षिण में साफ है और उत्तर में हाफ है। ये 150 नहीं पार करते, 400 तो छोड़ दीजिए, 150 नहीं पार करते ये। और इसलिए जो इन बयान आ रहे हैं वो बौखलाहट की निशानी है।
हमारे जो अल्पसंख्यक यहाँ तब से रह रहे हैं वो घुसपैठिए हैं। ये किस किस्म की राजनीति है और किस किस्म की संस्कृति है? एक तरफ तो आप राम मंदिर की बात करते हो, वहां जाकर उद्घाटन करते हो, राम के आचरणों की बात करते हो, और दूसरी तरफ नफरत फैलाते हो। कहां गया आपका सबका साथ? कहां गया आपका सबका विकास?
Shifting our focus now to some breaking